Hi everyone, I'm Kanika Saxena and I'm here to do my very first unboxing video. I'm really very excited about this because this is for something very special. I have been nominated for the Real Superwoman Award for 2021 by Forever Star India. I just received a mail from them 2 days back that my certificate, the hard copy of the certificate, has been sent to my address. And here it is. The courier has just come today. So this has come from Forever Star India. I'm really excited to see what's inside. So let me cut it open now. Okay, it goes. Okay, so what do we have here? Wow, this box with Forever Star India written on it really feels special. So now let me see what's inside the box. Okay, oh my god, it's nicely bubble wrapped. I really wonder if it's, they've made it in glass or what. It's so beautifully wrapped. Okay, so here is the cover with my name on it, Kanika Saxena. Now what's inside the cover? Okay. Okay, this looks really awesome. This is my Forever Star India Awards, the Real Superwoman Award. Looks great from outside. Now let me see how it is inside. Yes, so this is the award, and let me see. Okay, here, take a look. It has my picture and it says Certificate for the Real Superwoman Awards 2021. It has my name, Kanika Saxena, on it. Yeah, and let me read what it says. It has been sent. I've been nominated in the category of author and writer, designation, content strategist, and author. And my location is Mohali, Punjab. So now the rest of it says, appreciation for a superwoman like you, who has been spreading lights of optimism for others. Women like you make this world a better place to live in, and your limitless attitude makes an enormous difference in the society. Thank you for putting in such marvelous efforts for our society and inspiring women across the world. This is really, really awesome. Made my day, made my week, made my month, I think. 1st of September, right? So, made my month. Thank you so much, Forever Star India. Looking forward to the final competition. So, thanks a lot.